Alright, so we are in lab 6.6.11 and we're going to configure Smart Card Authentication. So you work as the IT administrator for a growing corporate network. The research and development department is working on product enhancements. Last year, some secret product plans were compromised. As a result, the company decided to implement Smart Card for log on to every computer in the research and development department. No user should be able to log onto the workstation without using a smart card. In this lab, your task is to perform the following on the CompTIA. Enforce the existing research dev GPO link to the research dev OU. Edit the research dev GPU and configure the following local security setting policy located in the computer configuration section. And then we have interactive login required smart card should be enabled. Interactive login smart card removal force log off. So let's start up. Should in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. The trick is to match every move I make, every step I take in this video. That way you'll be able to come out successful. Alright, so the lab has opened up. Let's start up. Select COP server and CompTIA. So we go to tools and GPO policy. Let's maximize this. So let's increase the space here. So I'm going to collapse this pin here and collapse this also. And let's collapse group policy object also. And let's select research dev GPO. We're sure that this is enforced. Let's click and go to edit. Let's maximize this. Collapse policies. Collapse Windows settings. And security settings. Let's go to security options, select security options, and scroll down. Select this, select define this, enable this, and click on apply, click OK, select this, and define this policy setting should be checked. And we're going to select force log off, click apply and click OK. So go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video helpful, remember to share on other educational platforms like
busy with health challenges, work, or family issues. We help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments, while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.